I'm Jay Fox, and this is my testimonial for Liberty Aid Academy entitled Can't Be Killed, Accidents Are a Hoax. And this is the intersection that I came to stop at about this same time. There wasn't any snow here. I had just come back from the pilgrimage to Sarasota, Florida to see Jack be baptized. And I sat right about there. It was midnight. I pulled up here to this light to stop, and it was red and it turned to green. And for some reason the window was down. I was just listening to the motor of the car, and over here from the right, a car comes shooting through the intersection at like 50 miles an hour. And I thought, no, that just didn't happen. I was sitting about right there. And I looked down this direction here, and sure enough, there were the taillights for the car. And he had run the red light. It's green right now, but he had run the red light. Had I driven through the intersection, when it turned to green, I would have been T-bowed on the right side of my van at 50 miles an hour. There it is back there. There's the infamous $700 van. And I'm always working on it, but that's my car. That's what I drive. And I'll finish up. I'll stop this vid and I'll continue with the paperwork and a second vid and show the documents where I opened the trust at the bank, Wells Fargo Bank, and how I titled my cars. I have 3 old cars, and how I titled them in the name of the trust at the DMV. And in the end, it couldn't be any easier. In the bank, when I went in to open the trust, no problems. It was super easy, and took about 45 minutes. The lady was very helpful. But when I walked out into the parking lot, there were 2 police cars sitting in the back parking lot, because they're always watching us. They're always watching anyone that moves forward spiritually to the point where they crack the matrix, they crack the system that exists where we find ourselves. So, all right, I'll continue this vid later.